This video shows how to buy shares of Caribou Biosciences Inc., a biotechnology company focused on CRISPR genome editing, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CRBU. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy CRBU, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your identity, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CRBU to find Caribou Biosciences. Choose the result that matches the NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and examine the price chart to see recent movements. Confirm the page lists Caribou Biosciences Inc. on NASDAQ with the CRBU ticker before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you wish to invest, check the order type and any fees, then review and confirm your order details. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as pending or placed as a limit order. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your Caribou Biosciences position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For the example platform link, check the description below.